from swapbeauty.com, and I'm here today to talk about hot dogs and filet mignon. I'm a foodie, but I'm not really going to talk about hot dogs and filet mignon because I'm going to give you a great recipe. I want to use them as an analogy because I got a beef recently. No pun intended, but I'm seeing all these influencers and bloggers on social media trying to compare skincare products and knocking cosmeceuticals, saying, are they really worth the money? Okay, before I get to the skincare products themselves, let me give you the analogy. So hot dogs. I love a hot dog, although I gotta admit, I read an article on Business Insider about how a hot dog was made. Okay, so I already knew what went in a hot dog. It's the entrails or the trimmings of the beef, the pork, the chicken, or the turkey. It's not just the fat though, it's the feet, it's the head, it's the blood, it's the organs, and they mix it all up. And because they're the entrails, there's a lot of bacteria. So they have to boil all this mix and make a big stew and a batter in a pot. And of course they have to use some fillers to bind all that stuff together. And once they reach that maximum heat, they add some seasonings and voila, they're ready to push that meat into a casing. And then they cook it again. And after that hot dog went through his second cooking process, they give it a shower with some salt water and then do whatever they're gonna do after that. So, I'm sorry to all of you who went out to the club this weekend or went to a baseball game. Actually, we didn't go to a club, it's COVID, but for those times when you went out, you maybe had too much to drink, you went to the hot dog man and you ordered your street meat. I hope you'll still enjoy it after this video. Then you have your filet mignon. You can almost cut the filet mignon with your fork or without a knife. It's so soft, it's so juicy, it's the leanest part of the meat, and it goes really well with Shiraz or a Malbec. The filet mignon is your high-grade beef, and you pay a little bit more for that. It's natural, there's no fillers in it. Maybe it doesn't even require seasoning because it's just so juicy in its own essences. So there you go, hot dog, filet mignon. Let's get to the skincare. So yes, you're gonna have products on the market that are in the drugstore, for example, or your big box stores, and they're still decent quality. They're approved by the FDA and Health Canada. They have ingredients, but what's the percentage? And what else is in them? Is there artificial color? Is there artificial fragrance? Is there just a bunch of mineral oil and glycerin? What is in that product? Take a peek. Is it hot dog or is it filet mignon? Then you have products though that are like $500 creams. I'm not going to name brands, but look what's in them. Is it really worth filet mignon prices? Yeah. Here's my thing. I love cosmeceuticals, and they're not for everybody, but they have a high percentage of active ingredients. They're not premium or luxury prices like some of the brands, but they're also not drugstore. However, they contain the things the body already naturally produces. So for example, collagen. Our skin and our cells is made up of collagen. Hyaluronic acid. Our body creates it naturally to boost our moisture reservoirs. Peptides, which are chain of amino acids. And depending what order you put those chain links in will depend the message it's going to give to the skin. Vitamins, growth factors. So yeah, and oh yeah, I forgot about my favorite, plant stem cells. Plant stem cells are amazing because they take those stem cells often from the roots of the bulb or the tip of the leaves, and those stem cells mimic what our skin's DNA needs. So when you ask that question again, hot dogs or filet mignon, you answer that for yourself. I'm Heather Stockley from swapbeauty.com. Don't forget to check us out, and our new course is coming on Udemy. Have a great day.